Hey Sparkies, we're going to get straight to the point and show you how to install the DSD Downlight from SLG Lighting. Today we're in our training facility working with a 4-inch octagonal J-box, but this fixture will install the most round, square, or octagonal J-boxes out in the field. Be sure to always use proper protection when working with electrical equipment, but hey, we're not your mama, we don't need to remind you. First things first, disconnect the main power supply so that you stay alive. Unpack the DSD in the mounting bracket to ensure you have all the parts that you need. We'll start with the mounting bracket first. Here we have our exposed wires coming from the J-box already stripped and ready to wire. This is a flush mount fixture, so just make sure that the inside lip of the bracket is facing towards the J-box. This mounting bracket has screw holes for 3-inch or 4-inch J-boxes. Apply the included weather seal to the backside of the Downlight by peeling the backing paper. This is a stick-on weather seal and it's highly recommended to not skip this step. Before installing the fixture, make sure that the power and color settings match what's needed for the project. Next, take the fixture and make the proper connections: hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground. If there are additional purple and pink dimming wires, make sure that those get connected as well. The DSD includes push-in connectors, however our facility has bigger gauge cables, so we're using wire nuts for this demo. We recommend using the push-in connectors when possible, but we know that's not always an option. This fixture grounds through the mounting plate, so use the ground coming from the plate to complete the grounding. Once the cables are secure, push those cables back into the J-box and snap in the Downlight. The mounting clips push in and may need a little moving around a bit to make sure that it's the right fit. After the fixture sits flush with the ceiling, restore power to the line and double check that you've got light. When installed outside, we recommend applying additional weatherproof silicone around the seal just for added protection. This fixture is available in 0 to 10 volt dimming and Triac ELV dimming models, so always consult our dimmer compatibility guide to know which dimmers should be used. SLG Lighting, your experience matters.